mortgages harder to get now or before? Or mortgage hard to get in general? Well, I think we're going to answer that question today, so don't worry, guys. All right? This is the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer, and like always, bing! All right, guys, it's the real Mr. Marcelle. I'm excited. You guys want to know about our mortgages harder to get, and it all depends. So, for example, if you're self-employed, yes, since Corona happened, it's a lot harder to get mortgages being self-employed. It can still get done, so don't worry. It's just a lot more work, more paperwork that's needed. They want 2 years bank statements. They want to see the deposits going into the account. They want to make sure, because a lot of self-employed business owners were the first one to get affected when Corona happened. So now they're a lot more stricter on the guidelines of what has to get done, what's necessary, and what's needed to make sure you get it. But interest rates are at the all-time lowest as of right now. So that means that banks and the federal government, they want to push people still buying houses. They want to keep the economy flowing. So they're making sure they minimize on how high the interest rates are. And that helps you. Now, it can still get done. They even made, if you're W-2, don't worry. I know a lot of people said, hey, Malcolm, I lost my job due to COVID. What's going to happen now? They made a new exemption where even if you lost your job due to COVID, if you can show that it was due to COVID, like you worked in a restaurant, the restaurant closed due to COVID, and then now you're working at a new restaurant doing the same thing, but this restaurant is giving you hours versus last time, they're willing to forgive that gap in your work history because of COVID. So there are a lot of things that they did to make sure that people who were looking at houses beforehand or even looking now can still buy. And I believe personally it's a lot easier for W-2s. If you're self-employed, it's going to be a lot harder, but it can still get done. You just have to work with a loan officer like me, who knows how to do it, and you want to get it done properly. So you guys can still buy houses. Yes, it's a good time to buy. And if you have any questions, like always, I say DM me or comment in the comment section, because I actually do read it myself and I reply. This is the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer. Thank you guys for watching. You guys want more of this? You guys want more of these videos? Then make sure you like, subscribe, follow, and go see my other uploads. There's a whole bunch on this channel for you guys. I want to make you guys millionaires. Thank you for everything. This is the real Mr. Marcelle, and see you next week.